things are changing. Things are changing very rapidly, and with the increase of the new knowledge and with the development of the new methodologies, with the development of the new software solution, there is a continuous need for lifelong learning education. And that was the main driver actually for building up of the Dubrovnik International Mining School. The number of innovations implemented in the mining sector, which severely decrease the environmental impact of mining, which improves health and safety of the miners, of the operating staff, which is ecologically more, say, approvable or more reliable in the sense of environmental protection, was the reasons behind building of this school. There is a rather strong mining community here in the Adria region. Adria is a region with a traditional mining setting. We had mining since the Roman times and ongoing mining through the changes of the different empires. And today, a lot of international companies, large international players from Canada, Australia, China, are building their facilities, extraction facilities and premises in the region. And for that reason, the continuous education of the mining and geological staff is highly appreciated and needed. From the primary raw materials to the end of the cycle and recycling of the secondary raw materials, we continuously need to implement new knowledges and innovations along the whole value chain of the raw materials. And that's actually has been our driver behind the implementation of the Dubrovnik International Mining School. For 8 years in a row, we have been dealing with various innovations in various parts of the raw materials value chain, from geological prospection, mining and extraction, processing, metallurgy, then development of the recycling processes at the end of the life. We have been preparing educational programs for professionals in order to improve their knowledge, in order to improve their skills, and in order to implement these environmental friendly technologies in their mines, in the operating plants in the region.
This year's edition of the Dubrovnik International Mining School, the DIM ESEE, will focus on innovation in extraction. We all know that we need more mineral raw materials in Europe, but we have the problem of a lot of challenges, and we are trying to find out if modern technology can help us to solve some of those challenges during this week.
The world that we know will not be possible without the mining. Also, the future that will come is not possible without the mine. We have to mine more materials, but in the smartest way. That's why we organize this kind of innovation for our professionals and the students.